English in 30 days, fluent English in a month, speak like a pro in 30 days. Guys, have you seen these ads? Let me tell you very honestly, most of them are misleading you. Yes, you heard it right. Because if learning English was that easy, then every student in India must be fluent today. But reality क्या है? स्टूडेंट आर स्टिल स्ट्रगलिंग, इंटरव्यू में रिजेक्ट हो रहे हैं, कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत लो है. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू रिवील द रियल ट्रुथ. कैन यू रियली लर्न इंग्लिश इन 30 days? If yes, then how? If no, then tell what is the right strategy. And trust me, आज आप जो सीखने वाले हो, कोई कोर्स या कोई इंस्टीट्यूट आपको नहीं बताएगा. Stay till the end because I'm going to give you a 30-day practical roadmap. Part 1, the big lie. The question is, you can become fluent in 30 days? And the answer is no. You cannot become 100% fluent in 30 days because English is not a subject, it's a skill. And any skills takes time. Can you become a cricketer in 30 days? Can you build a gym body in 30 days? How can you master a language in 30 days? But wait, you can improve massively. You can start English confidently. You can clear interview with your basic English. That's the truth nobody tells you. Part 2, why you are not learning English. Now let's talk about the real problem. It's not your English, it's your learning method. Mistake 1, only grammar learning. You study tense, rules, formulas, etc. It's time to speak. Myself, Annie, I am completed my graduation. So it's basically wrong. Why? Because you learn rules, not usage. Mistake number 2, no speaking practice. You watch videos, you read books, but do you speak daily? No. Language is like a muscles. Don't use it, it won't grow. Mistake number 3, fear of judgment. Biggest problem. लोग क्या कहेंगे? What if I make a mistake? Let me tell you, you will make mistake. Let me tell you, you will make mistake. You should do mistakes. That's how learning works. Without mistake, how you will learn? Part number 3, real strategy. Now I'll give you a 30 days real system. Not fake, not theory, practical. Rule number 1, speak English, even broken English. Start like this. Today I go to market, I buy vegetables. That's it. It's okay. Don't wait for perfect English. Start with imperfect English, but at least start. Rule 2, mirror practice. Stand in front of mirror daily. Practice 5 to 10 minutes every day. Topic, introduce yourself, talk about your day, talk about your goals. That builds confidence. That builds confidence and fluency. Rule number 3, learn sentence pattern. Instead of grammar, learn pattern like I went to, I am planning, I have completed. That is how real English works. Rule 4, watch plus repeat method. Watch English video, simple one, then pause. Repeat the same sentence. This improves pronunciation, confidence, and flow. Rule number 5, think in English. Stop translating. Instead of thinking मुझे पानी चाहिए, translate. Start thinking I need water. Small shift, big result. Part 4, 30 days plan. Here's your practical plan. Day 1 to 10. Basic sentence, daily practice, mirror speaking. Day 11 to 20. Start small conversation. Watch plus repeat videos. Learn 10 sentences every day. Day 21 to 30. Speak with friends. Mock interview practice. Record yourself after 30 days. You won't be perfect, but you will be confident. And confidence equal to selection. Part 5, Interview Secret. Let me tell you something important. HR is not checking your perfect English. They check confidence, clarity, and communication. Even simple English work. I'm learning and improving daily. So remember one thing, 30 days equal to not fluency English. 30 days equal to strong start. If you follow this system seriously, your English will improve, your confidence will grow, your interview chances will increase. If you are serious about your career, comment I will start today. Like this video, subscribe for real career guidance. And remember, English is not a talent, it's a practice. See you in the next video. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.